Hello there, welcome to Blink and Babe. Thank you all for the wonderful support. In this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the new UPS that I purchased recently. It's the APC back UPS by Schneider Electric. The model and series is given here. It's Home/Office series IBX600C-IN, and it gives around 27 minutes of runtime. Also, if you notice, there is an asterisk mark here, which means there are certain conditions there. We will see what that is soon. Besides that, this side of the box shows the product image. Sorry, the box is a bit damaged. And to the left, we have some highlights of the product, like the battery saver, increases battery life up to 2 times. Here is a dedicated button, like the ones you see in your mobile in the notifications. We will see if we can find more about that. Surge protector, good against lightning strikes or any electrical overload that may happen during power restoration after a power outage or a blackout. And AVR, automatic voltage regulator. While the surge protector helps safeguard against a spike in the AC input, AVR helps against voltage fluctuations, which are most common than surge, and they both are quite a good feature, and definitely all these highlights make a good sense to have. Moving on, this product has got 600 VA capacity. There is another model that got 1100 VA if I'm not wrong, and that comes for a higher price. I plan to use this for my PC, so if you have more needs, then you can go for the other one. This model has got 3 power sockets and the 1100 one has got 5 power sockets. Apart from that, 4 to 6 hours fast recharge. Okay, 2 years warranty including battery. That's really good stuff. Quiet, so less beeping, and BAS 30 certified. Let's get to the other side now. Here are the technical specifications. The model, we have covered it already. Output, yes. Battery 7.2 AH. Okay, and input range 145 to 290 volts. Nominal output voltage 230 volts. Frequency range 45 to 65 Hz. And outlet 3 battery backup with surge protection. So we have 3 power sockets like I explained earlier, and they all come with battery backup and with surge protection. Battery recharge time 4 to 6 hours typical. Okay, the power cord 1.2 meters, decent, and the dimensions and the net weight. So the net weight is 4.7 kg, but I don't think we'll be moving it around, so doesn't matter. Moving on to the other side. So here is a picture of the rear view. Like I mentioned earlier, we have 3 power sockets, and here are a few more points. Let me just go through them quickly. Prevents damage and loss of, like, here are a few gadgets that you will be using with this UPS, like computers, smart TVs, gaming consoles, modems, routers, etc., external storage and all those things. That's a great thing. Genset or inverter compatibility, so they work seamlessly with both gensets and inverters, so that's a good thing. Electronic overload protection, yeah, we saw that. Cold start capability. So what does cold start usually mean is that even when you don't have the input power, you can still turn on this UPS, provided that the battery has some juice left, and still you'll be able to use your PC or whatever device that you are connected to, so in case of an emergency. Battery saver, yeah, we saw that. Surge protection, yes, and the AVR. So it's all the same things that we saw earlier. So moving on. So here's the information like about how much runtime you will be getting when in battery saver mode or in battery saver turned off mode. Here's a comparison, like battery saver off and battery saver on, all in one PC with 15-inch LCD monitor. So basically here is like 3 different type of PCs that you would be connecting this UPS to, and this is just to give you a rough idea about how much of usage you can get from this UPS. So assuming that you are owning an 15-inch LCD monitor that is all in one PC, the battery saver is off, you get approximately 27 minutes, and if the battery saver is on, you get 14 minutes. So that is to save battery for maybe for the next run. In case if you are facing frequent power outage or something like that, then you can turn on the battery saver mode. That way you will be able to use your UPS later. Home PC with 19-inch LCD monitor, you get around 14 minutes, and for battery saver on you get around 7 minutes. Performance PC with 22-inch LCD monitor. So if you see here, even the LCD, the monitor sizes are getting increased. So the first one was like around 15 inches, the next one 19, and then the last one is around 22 inches. So as the capacity increases, the battery's time also decreases. So the last one gets around only 9 minutes even with battery saver off, and with battery saver on we just get around 4 minutes. So probably you would have just to shut down your PC, saving your files, those sort of things. So just make sure that you make appropriate arrangements based on your needs. Now with that all covered, I think it's time for unboxing. Let's see how the product looks. Here we go. So you get an user manual and the UPS and the cables. So here's the front facing look. You get the power button, you get the battery saver button, and then an LED. So extends battery life, that's for the battery saver. And for the charge status, if it's green, the battery is charging. Red, you need to replace your battery, and if it is off, it's fully charged. So that's pretty good, actually giving the information here instead of in the manual. That way it will be easy for you. Before we get into the proceedings, I will show you the rear look, and then we will get into other stuffs. Yeah, so you get 3 power sockets and all with battery backup plus surge protection. Okay guys, so I have connected my UPS to the AC input. I'm gonna turn it on to see how it behaves. So you see the green LED, so which means the battery is charging. Let me turn it on. Yeah, so you kind of need to press and hold the power button for less than a second to hear that beep sound. So then you need to release your hand. That way you get your UPS turned on. And now if you see the UPS is running in the non-battery saver mode. So enabling battery saver, the same thing, just to press it, you hear the beep sound, and also the green indication turns on the light. So again, if you want to turn off the battery saver, that's it. So this clearly means that right now you're not on the battery saver mode, and to turn it off, that's it. So with that, we come to the end of this video. An absolute and much needed product for protecting all your valuable gadgets and computer, needless to say. So what makes this stand different from other products out there? Well, the battery saver, surge and AVR are definitely the highlights, and also it's got its premium look, definitely packs in a lot of backup, and I hope it stands to its commitments as mentioned by the manufacturer. All I can do is start using it, see how really good it is. I will definitely communicate if I find anything odd or if something that doesn't seem right. But for now, I am definitely happy with this. Hope you do as well. Please do post your thoughts and let me know for what can be improved next time for my video. More videos in my channel, check them out as well. Thank you. Bye bye.